Hi guys, so we're gonna make a piano like a letter P. So let's get started.
So I had already cut out letter P out of construction paper, and I cut out a piece of white paper and just used a ruler to make the lines for the keys. And we already glued that off camera. So we're gonna be gluing on the little black keys onto her piano. So it's P week, so we're doing a piano. P for
piano.
Okay, so you're gonna glue the keys on. I'm gonna put the glue on.
Yay.
Where I put the glue is where you're gonna put the
Thank you.
keys. And here's our piano. Piano begins with what letter?
P.
Very good.
Can I play it? Dun 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 dun.
Go ahead.
Hey guys, we're gonna do P project. And we're gonna make a penguin out of P. Let's get started.
Isn't this cute?
This is no, Mommy. This is no. This is no.
They said no? You don't think it's cute? You don't think your penguin is cute?
No.
You don't think your penguin is cute? I think it's cute.
I think it needs a little something. Can it walk?
That is cute. Okay. So let's put it down to dry. So what is this? What do we make?
A penguin.
And what letter does the penguin begin with?
P.
So we made a penguin and what's that?
Piano.
Mm-hmm. And they both begin with letter
P.
Yes.
My favorite color is P, Mommy.
Your favorite color is what?
My favorite color is pink.
Yes, and pink begins with letter
P.
Yes.
Pink.
Okay, so we're gonna leave these so they can dry.
So we can play with them?
We're not gonna play with them, they're not toys. I'm gonna hang them on the wall like we did with the other letters.
Dun, 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 la, la. Dee, dee, dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 dun, da, 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 dun. I wanna sing a song about Mommy and Mommy. I wanna sing a song about Mommy. I wanna sing a song about love. I wanna sing a song about love. I wanna sing a song about love. I wanna sing a song about Mommy. My favorite Mommy's mom. She always people calls her Dina. Mommy, I love her so much. Da 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 da. My fancy din, my heart listen, my heart say, I love Mommy so much.
Yay! Okay.
That was beautiful. Son.
Yes, it was beautiful, Mama.
Thank you for watching this. We love you. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Bye. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to dance. I go to a little like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Find all these buttons. Switch for my name. Anais. Anais. Switch for my name.
I have no idea what that's about.
Press these videos. Don't forget to subscribe me. Switch for my name. Anais. Anais. Don't forget to swish